Okay, one more numerical to make it more clear about the slip. तो इस बार हमारे पास क्या है? A 220 volt, 3 phase and 2 poles. And what is next? 50 hertz induction motor. This is the rating of our induction motor. उसका स्लिप है 5%. इसको हम पहले ही से लिख देते हैं 0.05. yes. और we have to find what? सबसे पहले speed of magnetic field in revolutions per minute. So this would be what? Synchronous speed. तो सबसे पहले हम synchronous speed निकालें. So it is ns is equal to 120 f by p. Here our frequency is 50 hertz and number of poles given is 2. So what is it? 3000 revolutions per minute. See, normally we call it RPM. पर हमें क्वेश्चन के वर्ड्स को टैली करना है तो यहाँ हम इसको क्लियरली लिख रहे हैं 3000 revolutions per minute. Nothing but RPM. We have to understand the values or the terminology. दूसरा हमसे पूछा है speed of rotor in revolutions per minute. Speed of rotor, we already know n is equal to 1 minus s into ns. तो हमारे पास स्लिप भी दी है और हमारे पास अब सिंक्रोनस स्पीड भी आ गई है तो हम निकाल सकते हैं. What would it be after calculating? 2850 revolutions per minute. हमारे पास रोटर स्पीड आ गई. अब हमें निकालना है स्लिप स्पीड ऑफ द रोटर. स्लिप स्पीड ऑफ द रोटर इज नथिंग बट n is equal to s into ns. So it would be 0.05 into 3000. So what will it be? 150 revolutions per minute. Okay. So this is your slip speed of rotor in R. This is basically the difference between the two, and its term is n minus ns is s and this is s into ns. अब लास्ट टर्म हमारे पास बच रही है रोटर फ्रीक्वेंसी. रोटर फ्रीक्वेंसी fr वुड बी व्हाट? हमने देखा इट वुड बी s into f, या हम लिख सकते हैं दिस nr into p by 120. कैलकुलेट करके देख लें. 150 into 2 divided by 120, which is giving us 2.5 hertz. So here this numerical is differing in only terminology or solving pattern compared to other numerical. Otherwise the terms, the things are the same, like synchronous speed, rotor speed relative to stator speed, and rotor frequency. All these we have calculated in earlier numerical. Only difference is that of asking in the method.